Hi guys. Tomorrow is actually my dad's birthday, and he gave me some leftover chocolate panettone for Christmas. And obviously, panettone comes in a big box, and they don't really eat that much of it at home, so everyone gets a bit tired after the festive season and January comes. I don't really want to delve into a whole chocolate panettone, but I said to him I will create something for his birthday. I decided to make a chocolate panettone pudding, a bit like a bread and butter pudding. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make bread and butter pudding using the chocolate panettone that we have left over from Christmas. I'm going to cut it up, and then I'm going to make like a custard on top, and then let that set, and it should be lovely and warm for a warm pudding, especially on a cold afternoon. So our panettone is lovely and squidgy and soft, and it's got chunks of chocolate in it. I've just sliced it up using a bread knife, so all the slices all go into a baking tray. As you can see, it's got like bits of orange in it. This one's chocolate and orange panettone, so it'll be super delicious. So I've cut them in half, then place them into a greased baking proof dish. So while that is all in there, I'm making a custard with eggs, and I've got some milk in there with some vanilla and some sugar, and that's it. Super easy peasy. Pour over your bread pudding and let that soak in for about 15 minutes. Put a little bit of caster sugar over the top, extra chocolate chunks if you want, and then pop it into a bain-marie in the oven for about an hour, slow cooked, and it will come out lovely and soft and utterly delicious. Recipe is in the description below.